How does the situation in Venezuela affect markets? Forex was closed over the weekend, but oil closed Friday around $57. Crypto markets didn't react immediately. The pressure on oil prices is already in place. The only question is timing and scale, whether the move happens fast or plays out gradually. But the direction is clear. Cheaper oil means lower transportation costs, cheaper goods, and slower inflation. This gives central banks more room to cut rates. Lower rates usually support stocks and risk assets. I don't trade oil directly, but I track it closely. Oil is a global signal that often helps identify local opportunities.